Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spark plugs that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium choice for high-performance engines, this list has you covered. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs LKAR7BIX-11S PCS New. This spark plug is a solid contender in the premium category, designed with an Iridium core to ensure exceptional durability and excellent spark performance. One of its standout features is its ability to operate over a much wider heat range compared to ordinary plugs. This makes it ideal for high-performance engines or vehicles that demand rigorous performance. The design of the NGK 6619 is sleek and functional, featuring a patented triple gasket sealing process that eliminates the risk of combustion gas leakage. This ensures long-term reliability and helps maintain consistent engine performance. Additionally, it resists carbon buildup and pre-ignition, which is a big plus for those who frequently push their vehicles to the limit. Performance-wise, this spark plug delivers a stable and efficient spark, improving throttle response and fuel efficiency. It's priced at $53.98, which puts it on the higher end of the spectrum. While the performance justifies the cost, the fact that it comes in a pack of 6 rather than 8 might be a drawback for some users. Overall, the NGK 6619 is an excellent choice for drivers looking to maximize engine efficiency, especially for high-performance cars. However, if you're on a tight budget, it might not be the most economical option. At number 4, we have the NGK LKAR7BIX-11S Iridium iX Spark Plug 93501 Iridium iX, a great option for the performance enthusiast. This plug is designed for ultimate ignitability and improved throttle response, making it perfect for those who prioritize quick acceleration and smooth engine operation. Its 0.6mm laser-welded Iridium tip ensures a highly durable and stable spark, while the tapered ground electrode helps minimize electrical quenching, enhancing overall efficiency. The construction of the NGK LKAR7BIX-11S is impressive, featuring a longer insulator nose to prevent fouling and corrugated ribs on the insulator to avoid flashover. Additionally, NGK's signature triple gasket seal ensures no combustion gas leakage. These design elements make it a reliable choice for drivers looking for consistent performance over time. The trivalent metal plating adds superior anti-corrosion properties, further extending its lifespan. Priced at $35.21 for a pack of 4, this spark plug offers excellent value for money. However, the smaller pack size might be a downside for users with vehicles requiring more than 4 plugs. It's an excellent choice for high-performance engines, but it might not deliver the same level of durability as some higher-end options. Still, for the price, it's a fantastic choice for those on a budget who still want Iridium-level performance. Taking the 3rd spot is the NGK LKR7DIX-11S Iridium X Spark Plug 93175 Iridium X, another excellent offering from NGK. Designed specifically with the performance enthusiast in mind, this spark plug boasts extreme ignitability and improved throttle response. Its 0.6mm laser-welded Iridium tip provides high durability and a consistently stable spark, ensuring reliable performance in high-demand scenarios. The design features of the LKR7DIX-11S are top-notch, with corrugated ribs on the insulator to prevent flashover and a triple gasket seal to eliminate the risk of combustion gas leakage. This spark plug also resists carbon buildup and pre-ignition, making it a great choice for modern high-performance engines. The trivalent metal plating ensures excellent anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties. At $34.99 for a pack of 4, this spark plug is slightly cheaper than the LKR7BIX-11S, but it offers similar performance benefits. However, like its sibling, it's better suited for vehicles that only require 4 plugs. If you're looking for a high-quality Iridium spark plug that offers great value for money, the NGK LKR7DIX-11S is a fantastic choice. In second place, we have the NGK number 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs TR5GP 8 PCs new. As the budget-friendly option in this lineup, this spark plug offers exceptional value without compromising on quality. Featuring NGK's G-Power Platinum technology, it delivers reliable performance with improved ignitability and resistance to carbon buildup. The Platinum core ensures durability and a consistently stable spark. The design includes a patented triple gasket sealing process which eliminates the risk of combustion gas leakage. This ensures long-term reliability even under challenging conditions. With a wider operating heat range than ordinary plugs, the TR5GP is a versatile choice for various vehicle types. At just $33.44 for a pack of 8, it's an excellent choice for those looking to upgrade their spark plugs on a budget. While it doesn't offer the same level of durability as Iridium plugs, the G-Power Platinum still provides solid performance for everyday drivers. If you're looking for affordability without sacrificing too much on quality, this is the spark plug for you. Finally, taking the top spot is the ACDelco 41962 Professional Platinum Spark Plug. This premium option is packed with features that make it the best choice for drivers seeking top-tier performance and durability. Its double platinum point pad ensures excellent durability and consistent voltage demands, reducing the wear on the ignition system over time. The one-piece, fired-in suppressor seal blends 3 glass types for a gas-tight seal, helping reduce engine interference and ensuring long life. The pure copper core results in cooler electrode temperatures, maximizing durability and fouling resistance. This spark plug is designed for universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. At $57 for a pack of 8, it's the most expensive option on this list, but the quality and performance justify the price. Users report smoother engine operation and noticeable improvements in fuel efficiency. The ACDelco 41962 is ideal for those who want the best of the best. It's perfect for high-performance vehicles and drivers who prioritize reliability and efficiency. While the price may be a deterrent for some, the long-term benefits make it a worthwhile investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.